Do you love butterflies and want to see more of them in your garden? These 10 beautiful flowers will not only brighten up your space, but also attract butterflies with their nectar-rich blooms. Get ready to create a butterfly paradise with these stunning plants. Zinnias are a must-have for any butterfly-friendly garden. These vibrant, easy-to-grow flowers come in a variety of colors, from bright reds and oranges to soft pinks and purples. Their long-lasting blooms provide an excellent nectar source for butterflies throughout the summer. Another great thing about zinnias is their ability to thrive in hot weather. They are drought-tolerant and require minimal care, making them perfect for beginners. Plant them in a sunny spot, and you'll soon see butterflies fluttering around these stunning flowers. As the name suggests, the butterfly bush is one of the best plants to attract butterflies. Its long, cone-shaped clusters of fragrant flowers come in shades of purple, pink, and white, making it a true centerpiece in any garden. This hardy shrub continuously blooms from summer to fall, providing a steady food source for butterflies. Butterfly bushes are low maintenance and grow quickly, reaching up to 6 feet in height. Prune them in early spring to encourage more blooms and enjoy the sight of butterflies feasting on their sweet nectar. Phlox is a stunning perennial that produces clusters of fragrant, colorful flowers. Available in shades of pink, purple, and white, this plant is highly attractive to butterflies. Its nectar-rich blooms make it an essential addition to any butterfly garden. Phlox thrives in full sun to partial shade and prefers well-draining soil. Its sweet fragrance will not only bring butterflies, but also fill your garden with a delightful aroma throughout the summer. Coneflowers are well known for their striking daisy-like blooms and ability to attract pollinators. These hardy perennials provide a vital nectar source for butterflies, especially during mid to late summer. Their purple petals and spiky centers make them a unique and eye-catching addition to any garden. Beyond their beauty, coneflowers are also medicinal plants known for their immune-boosting properties. They are easy to grow, drought-tolerant, and can withstand harsh conditions, making them an excellent choice for gardeners of all experience levels. Salvia is a favorite among butterflies and hummingbirds alike. This flowering plant features tall spikes of tubular blooms in shades of red, blue, and purple, creating a dramatic display in any garden. Its long blooming period ensures that butterflies have a reliable food source throughout the season. In addition to attracting pollinators, Salvia is also resistant to drought and pests. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it a hassle-free option for those looking to add beauty and wildlife to their garden. Milkweed is essential for monarch butterflies, as it serves as both a nectar source and a host plant for their caterpillars. This wildflower produces clusters of pink, orange, or yellow blooms that attract a variety of butterfly species. By planting milkweed, you're directly contributing to butterfly conservation. It's a hardy perennial that thrives in most soil types and requires little maintenance. Just plant it, and soon you'll see monarch butterflies laying eggs on its leaves. Black-eyed Susans are cheerful, golden yellow flowers that attract butterflies with their abundant nectar. Their dark centers create a stunning contrast against the bright petals, making them a striking addition to any garden. These hardy perennials are low maintenance and can tolerate drought and poor soil conditions. They bloom from midsummer to fall, ensuring that butterflies have food even as the season starts to change. Joe-Pye weed might not sound glamorous, but its fluffy, pinkish-purple blooms are irresistible to butterflies. This tall, native wildflower provides nectar late in the season, when other plants have stopped blooming, making it a crucial food source for migrating butterflies. Joe-Pye weed thrives in moist soil and partial sunlight, making it an excellent choice for rain gardens. Its towering presence also adds a wild, natural look to any butterfly-friendly landscape. Verbena produces clusters of tiny purple flowers that butterflies absolutely love. Its tall, airy stems allow butterflies to land easily and feed on its nectar. This plant continuously blooms from spring to fall, ensuring a long-lasting attraction for pollinators. Verbena is highly adaptable and grows well in both garden beds and containers. It's also drought-tolerant, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a low-maintenance yet beautiful addition to their garden. Lantana is a tropical plant that produces vibrant clusters of small flowers in shades of red, orange, yellow, and pink. Its strong fragrance and high nectar content make it a butterfly magnet, attracting various species throughout the season. Lantana thrives in hot, dry conditions and is highly resistant to pests and diseases. Whether grown in garden beds or hanging baskets, this plant will keep your garden bursting with color and butterflies all summer long. And there you have it. These 10 beautiful flowers are guaranteed to attract butterflies and bring life to your garden. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, these plants are easy to grow and will reward you with endless butterfly visits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on your favorite butterfly-attracting flower. Happy gardening!